Is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday.